This is the GT350 conversion kit for the Mark IV. This particular kit will fit the Mark IV Supra as well as the SC300 and the GS300. I have another bracket that actually allows you to mount these on the almost always forgotten IS300. Now, the GT350, for those who aren't familiar with it, that is basically the 14 and up Ford Mustang. A set of these calipers, even with the price increases and inflation right now, still only run you about $850. The caliper brackets are billet 7075 for additional strength and rigidity, wear, all top-end hardware, easy to install. Legitimately, it's 2 bolts to your hub, 2 bolts to the caliper, and what makes this a little bit different from the other ones is the GT350 versus the CTSV calipers are actually a radial mount caliper. That's the reason why we can get it to fit on the GS and the IS. And what radial mount means is you don't have short bolts mounting the ears of the caliper to your spindle. What happens is you actually have radial mounts like this, so the bolts go through the caliper in that fashion, which allows you to actually tuck the caliper up a lot closer to the center line. This particular set uses an IS300 ISF rotor, which is just over a 15-inch rotor. You will have a little bit of pad overhang, and that's only because the calipers and the original 350 pads were designed for a larger rotor, but the overhang is actually on the inside, which you can see it is actually concave, so you have plenty of clearance. It's an adaptation, it's not a ground up kit, and there's always going to be a little compromise here and there when you do an adaptation, but all in all, you should be able to get this on your car for about $1,500. All the components. This is an OEM Brembo rotor. We include a 1mm spacer to reset the offset, get everything perfectly aligned. And for anybody interested or for more info, just go ahead and visit autosportsengineering.com.